Welcome to this admin walkthrough. We are looking at the data tables agent. We just have one single agent with two tools. One is external REST, other one is document tool. We also added a supervisor. In case of a single agent, supervisor is always optional. But we just add supervisor because it allows us to summarization form so that we can ask for specific things beyond the default form. For the agent, the two tools that we have is first one is REST one. We can see that the REST one is with multiple functions to get data tables, get the folders, get data from the tables, query data tables, and all different options. In this admin walkthrough, we're more interested in looking into the document tool type. And here, what we have done is we have published a number of documents which are all related to the data tables, like data table overview, the BMQL, and BMQL variables, data table maintenance, import and export, data table validations, and REST APIs. Mainly the content that we have available in CDP Help website. We just use them as PDF and added it over here. One more thing, when you actually, let's go to this tool. Yes. So whenever you actually upload a new document, you simply come over here, you drag and drop the document, give it a name, and then change the status to ready to publish. After you change the status to ready to publish, you'll have to go to tools and schedule processes, and then search for the agent document processing process, which actually changes the status from ready to publish to published. Your document tool is only able to work properly when the documents are in published status. So remember that one more time. You'll have to first come upload documents, change the status to ready to publish. Once the document, all the documents are uploaded, then you'll have to go to schedule processes and then run this document processing job so that it processes document. In production, you actually run that job periodically so that it keeps processing all these records. When you run that job schedule process, it actually takes your documents, create vectors, and then store it into the vector database so that when you're searching against these documents, you get the desired results. So you start from tools, schedule procedure, click on schedule new process, search with the keyword agent. Process agent documents is the job you'll have to run. You have two options. Either you can submit the job, that's going to run the job instantly, or you can click on advanced and schedule the job so that it runs periodically, whichever works best for you.